Hey everyone, welcome to Pictory Essentials. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to import a project file into Pictory. If you want to get the most out of your video editing experience, then you're going to want to know the best way to import your project files into Pictory. We'll take you through a step-by-step process so you can get the most out of Pictory.
How do you import a project into Pictory? Well, when a project file is shared and you wish to import it into your account, you need to follow these steps. Step 1. You need to go to My Projects. Once you go to My Projects, the next step. Step 2. You're going to select the Import option. After selecting the Import option, Step 3. You will see a pop-up window on your screen to select the file from your PC or laptop, whatever you might be on. And then from there, Step 4. You're going to select the project file that you want to use, which is the exported project file or the project file that was shared with you. And it will import that project file, and then you'll be done. Now you can start working on the new imported project. So let's take an inside look starting at the main screen and see how this is going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to My Projects, and then once I go to My Projects, we're going to see the My Projects screen. Now, if you don't know how to get to it from the main dashboard, it's very easy, and I'm sure those of you are using Pictory right now know how to do this. Just click on My Projects link in the upper right-hand corner. You will be taken to the My Projects screen. All the project you have created will show up in this screen, and then from there, you're going to see what we talked about earlier on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see the My Projects panel. Inside the My Projects panel, you will see 3 items: Create Projects, Create Folder, and then Import Project. Now, to be able to import a project, you're going to need to have a project file that's exported out from your account that you're bringing in, or you're going to need someone that has shared a project with you that you can import into your Pictory account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Test Work folder, because I have some test projects here that we can use for demonstration. We will look at the Hello World project folder. And as you can see here, this project folder can contain up to 5 files: the project file, video file, and 3 text files. Today, we will focus our attention on the project file. The project file can be downloaded from 2 places. It can be downloaded from the project folder or from inside the project folder. This is how you download the project file from the project folder. Also, you can click into the project folder and download the project file from inside the project folder. This may be a bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the flexibility that Pictory offers. Now, let us download the project file to use for our project import. Okay, the project file has finished downloading. We will follow the steps to import the project file. The project file can be imported from 2 screens: the My Projects main screen and from inside a My Project folder. We will go to the My Projects main screen to import. We have already completed Step 1 by going to My Projects main screen. Step 2, you're going to select the Import option. After selecting the Import option, Step 3, you will see a pop-up window on your screen to select the file from your computer. Step 4, you're going to select the project file that you just downloaded, which is the exported project file, and it will import that project file, and then you'll be done. Now you can start working on the imported project. Now that you know how to import a project file, you now have a powerful skill in your toolbox. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to import a project file into Pictory AI. Stay tuned for more tutorials by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and comment below.